Okay, so a lot of you women, you've been asking me, so what's the point of all my videos that I'm posting? All y'all women, y'all done gave me all kind of insults. I'm bitter, this, I'm black, blah blah blah. Who hurt you? Oh yeah, that's the biggest one. Who hurt you and all this bullshit. Like all that shit means something to me. Listen, ladies, listen up good, because I'm gonna say this probably once. Nah, I'm gonna keep saying it, but check this out. Listen, ladies. I am not trying to bash you. I love black women. I love women in general. I love y'all from the bottom of my heart. Bottom of my heart. I love y'all. But as far as black women are concerned, listen, ladies, black women, you are the most evicted group in the whole United States. The most evicted. And you don't earn enough money to say that you don't need a man. That's number one. And number two, what is this doing to our community when we are not united? It should be one black woman to one black man raising a family. This is the way God designed it. So my issue is, why are women constantly leaving marriages 90% of the time if they are college educated? I want to know why. I want to know what is wrong. Something is wrong. And on my YouTube channel, we are going to get to the bottom of this shit. So if you ain't ready for the smoke, don't bring your ass over there.